up YouTube and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. As you can see, we are fully busy with our boat engine, but for now we got something different. We changed out the clutch for an Audi A4 1.9 TDI diesel engine. Okay, so we got the Audi up in the air. Now it's time to remove some parts so we can get to our gearbox. First we will open the hood to check what needs to be removed on top of the engine, on the side, so we can access the gearbox. Then we're going to take off the wheels, take out the hubs, take out the axles that are connected to the gearbox, and continue from there. Needed to change tactics a little bit. Normally in the most European cars the gearbox is here, but luckily at Audi it's in the middle of behind the engine. So in order for our lift, we changed out the direction of the nose of the car, so it's easier for us to get access to the gearbox. A very big Allen key. The next thing that we're going to do is take off the bottom plate so we have nice access to all the parts we need to unscrew. Okay guys, so we got the gearbox removed. Now we got access to the pressure plate, the clutch and the Duomassflywheel. And as you can see, the flywheel is completely gone, but we will replace the complete kit. Okay, so a bit more different than the standard procedure. This flywheel was so completely gone that the plate on top had shifted and we were unable to get it twisted to get access to the flywheel bolts. So we needed to cut it out to have access to the bolt because this flywheel is completely gone. So it's been a huge hassle, but we finally got the old flywheel off and the clutch as well. Now it's time to clean everything up, reinstall the new clutch and throw back the gearbox. Okay, so this is our new flywheel, and as you can see, the holes line exactly up where the bolt should go. So this was not the case with the old flywheel, so that's why we struggled to get it off. Okay guys, so we got the new bearing installed inside the gearbox. We cleaned out everything, put the new Mass Flywheel on. We're going to install the clutch plate into the pressure plate, and it needs to be totally aligned. So I just got this old tool laying around, which will result that the pressure plate and the clutch plate will be exactly in line, so our gearbox will slide in nice and easy once we need to install it. After installing the tool, you will see that the clutch plate is totally aligned with the pressure plate, which will make an awesome fit. So we got the gearbox mounted on the engine block again. What we're going to do now is drop it a little bit and install all the shift cables and the clutch, and then install the cross member. test drive. Okay guys, so she's shifting like a brand new Audi A4. So this will be the end of this video. Guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that your post notifications are on as well, so you don't miss out on any new videos of us. As always, thanks for watching and hope we see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.